Dry skin requires a gentle yet effective cleanser that removes impurities without stripping natural moisture. Using the wrong face wash can leave your skin tight, flaky, and irritated. To help combat these problems, we've reviewed the best facial cleansers for dry skin, focusing on hydration, soothing properties, and maintaining the skin's natural barrier. From creamy hydrating washes to ultra-gentle formulas, these top 5 cleansers provide nourishment and comfort, leaving your skin soft, balanced, and refreshed every day. Let's explore each one in detail. Kicking off our list at number 1, CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. The CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser is a dermatologist-recommended face wash designed specifically for dry and sensitive skin. Enriched with essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid, it gently cleanses while restoring the skin's natural barrier. Its creamy, non-foaming formula removes dirt, oil, and makeup without causing dryness or irritation. Ideal for daily use, this cleanser is lightweight and soothing, leaving skin soft, hydrated, and comfortable, making it a perfect choice for anyone struggling with tight, flaky, or dehydrated skin. Key features: contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid for hydration and barrier repair. Non-foaming, creamy texture for gentle cleansing. Soap-free, fragrance-free, and suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: massage a small amount onto damp face, then rinse with lukewarm water. Removes impurities effectively while providing deep hydration. Daily use helps maintain the skin's natural moisture balance, preventing irritation and dryness. Ceramides strengthen the skin barrier, while hyaluronic acid attracts moisture for lasting softness. Usability: gentle, creamy texture spreads easily, rinses cleanly without residue, and doesn't leave a tight or uncomfortable feeling. Suitable for morning and night routines. Compatible with other skincare products like serums and moisturizers. Durability: comes in a sturdy pump bottle for controlled dispensing. Long-lasting formula with consistent hydration benefits ensures months of reliable use. Maintains efficacy without separating or losing texture over time. In the second spot, we have Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. The Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser is a classic, dermatologist-recommended formula designed to cleanse dry and sensitive skin without stripping natural oils. Its mild, soap-free composition allows for gentle removal of dirt, makeup, and impurities while soothing irritation and preventing moisture loss. Lightweight and non-foaming, this cleanser is ideal for daily use for all ages and skin types, especially those prone to dryness or sensitivity. Its consistent performance makes it a go-to choice for maintaining soft, healthy, and comfortable skin. Key features: soap-free, non-foaming formula for gentle cleansing. Suitable for sensitive and dry skin. Fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist-tested. Benefits and usage: apply to damp skin, gently massage, then rinse thoroughly. Effectively removes impurities while calming irritation and preserving hydration. Regular use supports the skin's natural barrier, prevents tightness, and promotes a soft, balanced complexion. Its mild formulation reduces the risk of redness or sensitivity, making it safe for frequent cleansing. Usability: lightweight texture spreads easily over the skin and rinses clean without residue. Can be used twice daily, morning and evening. Compatible with moisturizers and serums for optimal hydration and skin health. Durability: packaged in a practical bottle with a secure cap, ensuring long-lasting use. The formula maintains its consistency and efficacy for months, offering reliable hydration and cleansing every day. Coming in at number 3 is the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating La Roche-Posay. Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser is formulated for dry and sensitive skin to cleanse without disrupting the skin's natural moisture balance. Enriched with ceramides, glycerin, and thermal spring water, it soothes, nourishes, and hydrates while removing dirt and impurities. Its creamy, non-foaming texture is ideal for daily use, including morning and night routines. Suitable for all skin types, but especially beneficial for dry, irritated, or sensitive skin, this cleanser leaves skin soft, smooth, and comfortably hydrated. Key features: ceramides and glycerin for hydration and barrier support. Enriched with thermal spring water for soothing properties. Non-foaming, gentle, and fragrance-free. Benefits and usage: massage onto damp face, then rinse with lukewarm water. Removes dirt, oil, and makeup while soothing irritation and dryness. Helps restore the skin barrier and provides long-lasting hydration. Daily use improves comfort, texture, and appearance, leaving skin healthy and resilient. Usability. Creamy texture glides easily across the face, rinses without residue, and doesn't cause tightness. Can be incorporated into any daily skincare routine, compatible with serums and moisturizers. Durability comes in a practical pump bottle or tube for controlled usage. Long-lasting, maintaining texture, hydration, and efficacy with regular use over months. Taking our fourth spot is Aveeno Ultra-Calming. Aveeno Ultra-Calming. Gentle cleanser is formulated to reduce irritation and hydrate dry, sensitive skin. Its blend of calming feverfew extract and nourishing emollients gently cleanses while soothing redness and sensitivity. Non-foaming and soap-free, it effectively removes dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping essential moisture. Designed for daily use, it is ideal for men and women with dry, sensitive, or easily irritated skin, leaving the complexion soft, calm, and comfortably hydrated. Key features: contains feverfew extract and emollients for soothing and hydration. Soap-free, non-foaming formula. Dermatologist tested and suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: apply to damp face, massage gently, and rinse. Cleanses effectively while calming redness, irritation, and dryness. Regular use strengthens skin resilience, maintains hydration, and improves comfort. Feverfew extract helps reduce inflammation and redness for a calmer, more even complexion. Usability: creamy, non-foaming texture spreads easily and rinses cleanly without residue. Can be used twice daily and works well under makeup or with additional skincare products. Durability: packaged in a secure pump bottle to minimize waste. Long-lasting formulation ensures months of daily cleansing while maintaining its calming and hydrating benefits. And finally, at number 5, we have Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Facial Cleanser is designed for dry skin, delivering lightweight hydration while effectively cleansing impurities. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it replenishes moisture and maintains skin's natural barrier. Its gel-to-foam formula removes dirt, oil, and makeup without leaving the skin tight or dry. Suitable for daily use, this cleanser provides a refreshing, hydrating cleanse for dry and dehydrated skin, leaving it soft, supple, and smooth, making it ideal for morning and evening skincare routines. Key features: hyaluronic acid for hydration and moisture retention. Gel-to-foam formula for gentle cleansing. Soap-free, fragrance-free, and suitable for dry skin. Benefits and usage: massage onto damp face, lather, and rinse. Removes impurities while boosting hydration. Daily use maintains skin softness, reduces dryness, and supports barrier function. Hyaluronic acid draws moisture to the skin, leaving it plump, smooth, and comfortable. Usability: gel transforms into foam for easy application and rinsing. Suitable for daily use morning and night. Works seamlessly with other skincare products like serums and moisturizers for optimal hydration. Durability: comes in a secure, user-friendly bottle with a pump for controlled dispensing. Long-lasting formula provides consistent hydration and effective cleansing over months of daily use. Cleansing dry skin requires products that hydrate, soothe, and maintain the skin's natural barrier. These top 5 facial cleansers for dry skin provide gentle, effective solutions to remove impurities without stripping moisture. From creamy, non-foaming washes to gel-to-foam hydrating formulas, each option supports daily hydration and skin health. Incorporating any of these cleansers into your routine ensures soft, balanced, and refreshed skin every day. Try them based on your specific skin needs and enjoy healthy, comfortable, and nourished skin.